Here we have the new 3-piece roll cage from Soflo Customs that we are gonna unbox today. All right, let's get to it. Here we have the hardware. All you're really gonna need is to assemble it is a 17 mil socket with a gun, or you could do a ratchet or a wrench, whichever way, it doesn't really matter. A 17 just to hold the other nut on the other side. So you got 4 bolts and you've got 8 washers. So one goes on the bolt side and the other 4 will go on the other side. So you might have to use a socket or a ratchet, or you can use a drill or a gun, whichever way, to get it through. Once they're both fully through, all you gotta do is put one washer on the other side, and then you got the locking nuts. What I usually do is I'll bolt them all up together, and then I'll tighten it all at the end. Honestly, I would give this roll bar like a 2 out of 10 difficulty level to put together yourself anywhere at home. Now let's move on to the installation.